how to watch movies with friends online. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our browser and then on the search bar, search for 27.xyz. Now once you search that, you will be redirected into this page. Now what we're going to do in this part is we're going to log in into our account. So if you haven't created an account yet, all you have to do is to click get started right there, and then you can log in through your Google, Facebook, or your email. So I'm just gonna log in with my Google, or you can sign up right here with your Google. So I'm just gonna click that, and then I'm gonna choose my account. Now once it is done, you will be redirected into this page. Now what we're going to do here is to scroll down until you see this start watching. So just click that start watching right there. In this part, if you want to create a watch party, of course, we're going to name it. Let's say, for example, that we're going to name it Let's Watch right there, and then click Just Me. And then once you are now here, you are now able to control the room. So you are the admin. So if you want to change something in here, it's up to you, but I will just leave it as it is. I'm just going to click close. And then in this part, you will see that we have different options. We have YouTube, Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, Amazon, and so on. So let's say, for example, that we want to watch a video from YouTube together. Now, what we're going to do here is to go into YouTube and then just look for the video that you want to watch. So let's say, for example, that we want to watch this one right here. Now, what we're going to do is to just copy the link right there, and then let's go back into our website. Now, what we're going to do in this part is to just paste the URL and then click send. Now, once you click send right there, as you can see, the video has been converted into the video that we want to watch. Now, to invite your friends, all you have to do is to just go here in this upper right corner of the screen and then click copy link right there. And then all you have to do is to just send it to them, and then they will now be able to watch the video with you together. So that is basically it. That is how to watch movies together online.